Hey everybody, great to see you here. I'm Steve and this is my channel, Fix It Right. We are in Detroit, Michigan. So the reason I put together this channel is because we all YouTube stuff and we try to figure it out on our own. I do it, you do it, we all do it. What bums me out the most is people come in here with their computers to repair and they say, yeah, I Googled this, I Googled that, and they mess it up worse than it was in the beginning. So I want to try to make a channel that helps teach people how to fix things right. So here you're going to see a variety of stuff. I'm going to tear apart computers, put them together, replace stuff, repair stuff. I'm going to troubleshoot them. I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot them. Some fixes are easy, some fixes aren't so easy, but you know, depending on your skill level, you'll be able to follow our instructions and maybe fix your stuff. We're also going to have some tips here and there, and we're going to try to educate the public. So come on back, subscribe, hit that like button, and join us on Fix It Right. Adios.